Well, hello and welcome. This is our first Sunday program together in 2024. So I am going to start out by saying welcome to this new year. I hope that it is starting out joyfully for you and that you are ready to get on the path for success. I would like to start welcoming people as they come in. And the first person, I always say hello to the first person that I see. So the first person that I saw come in is Moni. So hello to Moni. And the first comment that I see is from Eileen. Hi, Dr. Ellen. So hello, Moni, first person I saw come in. And hello, Eileen, the first comment that I see. And welcome to everybody joining us. I'm so excited because this is our first Sunday live program in 2024, and I want to make sure you are off to a successful start and to build success in this new, beautiful, wonderful year. So again, welcome to everybody joining in. I will say hello from New York. And I will say that during the day today, I saw the first snow of the season. We have not had snow in my area yet. And I was working in my clinic today. And all of a sudden, midday, I looked out my window and there they were, snowflakes coming down. So that was my change for today that I saw. And all day I've been looking forward to getting together with you. Because what I really want to do is help you get on the path to success for this year. We are already 1 week into 2024. So I want you to think, if you can remember back when 2023 was starting last year, were there any problems or struggles or issues on your mind that you really wanted to take care of? And were you successful? Were you able to take care of them in 2023? Are any of them still with you? Whatever is on your mind, and we're going to discuss a whole bunch of areas, I want to get you that blueprint to handle whatever issues, whatever struggles you're dealing with to get rid of, whatever goals you have that you want to move forward to reach. May this year be a successful year for you. And I want you to know that this is a place that you could come to every week, every Sunday, for blueprints and methods and strategies of how to get to success. And of course, you can join us during the week for our posts and comments as well. So this is a workshop. So I hope that whether you're watching this live or whether you're watching it on video, you have a piece of paper and something to write with. Or if you want to take notes on your computer, that's great as well. I want you to think again about what you want to accomplish. And maybe even, it may even be part of what you didn't accomplish last year that's still outstanding, that we want to make sure that you do handle and you do get done this year. So I'm going to tell you some common things that I hear from my clients. There are a bunch of them, and I'm going to help you workshop, so I'm going to list a bunch of things. If any of these jump out at you as things that you'd like to get done, make sure that you write it down on your paper or in your computer if you're taking notes there. So these are some things I commonly hear from mothers. One is the stress. I really want to get rid of this stress. And I know life for mothers can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. You probably know mothers who make it look easy, who know the strategies to eliminate the stress and handle the pressure and tension and bring it down and put life under their control rather than keeping this feeling that life has to be stressed and pressured. So if stress is an issue for you, if you'd like to get rid of stress, write that down. We can work on that. A second area that I hear a lot from women is weight loss. A lot of the women want to lose weight. Some of it is post-pregnancy, and some of it women have been carrying a lot of their lives. And this is such a common topic that I actually have a special weight loss group. So if weight loss is an issue for you, make sure you write it down. And again, this is a workshop that I'm leading, but I really want you to feel that you're participating because you're the one who can build the topics, and I will help you build the solutions. And today I'm going to be talking a lot about when, why, and how. So I want you to follow me on that, and we'll be talking about that as we go along. But again, some of the common areas, we mentioned stress and weight loss. A lot of the clients that I work with have areas in their work, their career, their business that they want to change. Sometimes they want to get a better job or a promotion. Sometimes a different job or an administrative position. Or sometimes they want to change to a totally different field of work. So if work is an issue for you, put it down on your paper. And again, we'll be building strategies and blueprints as we work along. What about home? Are there any issues at home that you want to work on? Do you want to be better organized at home? Do you want to clear up the clutter? Do you want to move? Or do you want to change rooms or change furniture? Here's another really common area that I hear from mothers: improving and building relationships, either with a partner or helping your kids with some milestones, or changing your relationships with family and friends to improve things. You may feel like you're so busy that you've been ignoring your friends or haven't been paying attention to the extent that you'd like to. So if any of these areas are important to you, make sure you write it down so we can build our blueprint for you. Another common area is finances. Are you doing okay with handling your finances? Do you feel that you have financial literacy? I know a lot of women feel less than secure in handling finances. And for some women, they just want to save over time. They feel like money just is disappearing. So is there anything about finances that's important to you? If so, write it down. And another area that I hear a lot from women is about better health. So what might you want to do for better health? For some women, I hear they want to start an exercise program or join a gym. And again, it brings back a lot of the women I talk to want to lose weight. And I have a very, very, very successful weight loss plan. So if that is your issue, do make sure you make an appointment, schedule an appointment with me so I can tell you in detail what I can do for you. And again, the scheduling appointments is right in our group. You can find that link in our group. I will put a new link there later today also. Not a new link, I'll put a copy of the link there in case you can't find it. So those are a bunch of areas. And now I want to talk about 3 important keys to build success. And they are the when, the how, and the why. So when is really important. The way goals fall out of our control is when we don't have a when. And I'll give you an example. Very often people say, I want to have this goal. I want to lose weight. Or I want to start an exercise program. Or I want to get rid of the stress. And I say, well, when are you going to start this? And I often hear, well, I'll start tomorrow, I'll start later, I'll start next week, I'll start someday. And someday reminds us that time is really fleeting. And what happens is if you don't have a starting point, it gets to the end of the year and you think, just like you might have thought in 2023, I really wish I had handled this last year. But time just is fleeting. And so what I really want you to do is say, I'm ready to start on this now. I don't want to put it off. I want to get started on this now. I'm excited to get started on this now because I can't wait to see the results. I can't wait to picture in my mind what will be like to feel like life is under my control, that I no longer feel stressed every day. When I wake up in the morning, I'm excited. Life is under my control. I've reached the job that I wanted. I have the relationship that I want. Imagine how good it would feel, and it will feel, to meet all of these milestones. When you think about how good it will feel, I want you to say to yourself, I am ready to start now. I don't want you to put it off any longer, because if you put it off, that's what happens. And we get to the end of another year and we think, I just let that go. So the when is, I want you to say now. I'm ready now. And I'm going to put a post in Facebook. When are you going to start to reach your goals? And I want you to commit. I want you to go into our group and look for that post and write, I am ready to start my goal, to reach my goals now. I want you to commit to that. And of course, if I can help you, feel free to schedule an appointment with me. So that is the when. Very often, we put off the when because we don't know how to do it. So not only do I want you to commit to when you're going to do it and starting now, but I want you to feel confident that you have a how you're going to accomplish these goals. Very often we put things off because we feel like, oh, I'm busy, I don't have time to do it, so I'll do it next week or next month or in a few months. Very often we feel overwhelmed by our current responsibilities. And that really should be a signal to us that we really should learn to handle our things better so that we feel more in control. And that may be one of the goals that you want to reach as well. Again, if how is a problem for you in any of these areas that we talked about that you'd like to reach, I would be happy to help you to find solutions and plans and strategies and methods of how you can go and meet these goals. And the why, I want you to keep in mind for any of these goals why they're important for you. So if you want to get a new job, is that important for you because you really want to have that title as an administrator and feel that you're a leader? Is it important because you want to have that salary of a new position and you can use that salary to take care of your family better? Is it important because the new job will give you more time in your personal life? We all, or many of us, want a new job for different reasons. But if we keep clear our reason, it can help us stay on the pathway. If you want to lose weight, for example, do you want to lose weight because you want to wear new clothing that you really love? Do you want to lose weight because you want to have more energy and you want to be able to run after your children or grandchildren or take care of various activities? What's important to you about these goals? That can be one of the things that can help you stay on the path when you feel like you're falling off of the path. And so the why is important as well. But for many people, the how is the most difficult component. So my big goal is to give you the momentum to say, you know what, this around New Year's is a really important time to commit to get things going. Because otherwise, before you know it, time is fleeting and another year goes by and I still have that same stress, I still have the same job, I still have the same relationship. I want you to build success in this year. I want this to be a joyous year, a productive year for you, a different year. Let's make this year the year you can say, this was my year. I did it all today. This year I accomplished so much. And again, if I can be of help for you, either helping you build momentum, helping you build the how of how you're going to accomplish these, I do have a special program that I do offer to the women in our group. So I am happy to help you. But again, the 3 keys for any of these goals is how, when, and let's do this now, and why. Why are these important to you? So let's get these going. Let's make 2024 your year, and let's get it going right away. We're already 1 week into the year, so I encourage you, if I can be of help to you, to schedule an appointment with me. You will find the link to the appointments in our group, and I want to make a special offer to you. Again, if you'd like to talk about any of the areas that we spoke about tonight or other areas, I'm happy to talk to you. And if you'd like to workshop, if you'd like me to help you workshop this whole thing with you individually, all the areas that we talked about, so that you can write down what's important to you, and we can pick out and help you prioritize what are your most important and how we're going to take steps to get there, I would be happy to do that for anybody who attended this workshop. So I am really excited for you. I'm excited for the success that many of you are going to have. And I am looking forward to meeting with those of you who are committed and ready to make this a successful year. So again, make sure you check into our group during the week for all of the posts and strategies and recommendations. Come and join me here next Sunday as well with a brand new topic. And I can't wait to meet with some of you when you schedule your appointments, so we can build your blueprint, your pathway to success in 2024. I will see you soon.